Welcome to Panama City Beach. We love coming here and the weather is really nice. And here's my husband. We're just chilling by the beach, walking along the shore because the water is cold. On our first night, we dined in here at 𝐶𝐤𝐿. This is one of our favorite meal. I got the yultal kama rice and fried rice. My mother-in-law and my husband got the hibachi. They're super good. And then the next morning, we dined in here. It's more of our brunch. This is more like a breakfast place. They also serve by the menu, or you want eat all you can. It's a buffet. Look around and see if we like the buffet. They look pretty good. However, we just decided to order from the menu, and this is what we got. Everything is so delicious, and I wish we have this near our house. Yeah, it was super yummy. And then the next evening, this is where we eat at. It is called Fireflies, one of our favorite restaurant to dine in. Probably top, the number one on our list. And then the last night, we dined in at this secluded. It's super hard to find. We actually found it accidentally, but fresh seafood. My mother-in-law and I got both a flounder, and then my husband got a burger and shrimp. I know it's kind of weird combo, but the flounder is huge and super yummy. So we've been to Pier Park many times, but since we are with my mother-in-law, we wanted to show her the Pier Park. We're kind of walking around. We shop around, more of window shopping really. We didn't really buy anything. And yeah, it's a nice day. There's so many shops you can shop. There's ice cream places and a bunch of restaurants you can dine in. So it's a really nice to kind of have a break from the beach. So after we finished window shopping, we decided to try out the airboat tour. And this is actually my first time, first time, my husband, my mother-in-law and I, and we are on our way to where the boat dock is. There's a little bit, maybe 10-15 minutes walk from the road or where you check in. And then yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really nice, and it's kind of have that hiking trail feeling. Yeah, it's really relaxing. At the same time, we are super excited to try out the airboat ride. This is all our first time, and yeah, we look forward to try it out. And it's a really nice day to do it because it was not too cold, but it was not really hot, if you know what I mean. Like, it's a perfect spring weather. Just so excited to do this. It's kind of scary though, because walking along this trail here to get to the boat, I keep thinking that there might be a crocodile, but anyway, that was just me imagining it. And my mother-in-law and my husband actually right behind me. Hey guys, we're about to do a boat tour and we'll be riding that. So I'm waiting for my mother-in-law and my husband. It's supposed to take like 45 minutes, so let's go. I'm scared but excited. I'm going to show you a super quick room tour. So you get the built-in free shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And they didn't really do any renovation in the bathroom area, but they did throughout the bedroom area. And as you can see, we already put our stuff inside the room. They have the full fridge still, freezer on top, and we brought 3 bottles of waters. And then now let's move on to the room area. It comes with 2 queen beds, and the headboard of the bed, it's connected to each other. And I noticed that they have a new furniture, even the drawers are different, and also it's newly painted. The flooring are still the same, half carpet, half wood floor. And then you have the flat screen TV. I love the way it looks. It's so modern compared to what it was before. And if you haven't checked out the other video, check out in the playlist holiday in resort. It totally looks different compared to what it is now. Also worth mentioning is that it comes with full fridge, coffee maker, and microwave. So that still comes in, inside your room. You have the connecting door. And then my husband and my mother-in-law is outside the balcony. But anyway, you have the full body mirror. And this is the overview you're gonna see by the window. And I really like the way it looks. It's so modern. It looks nice. And I really like this table over here because you can roll them out to the other side. It has nice table, which is you have an option to move it around, and so is the other side. It's a smaller table. It's a view from the balcony at night, and you can hear the waves. And I believe the lazy river only open somewhere around 6-7, because it's already 8 o'clock and it's closed. So, and it looks like a band playing down there. So this is what it looks like daytime. And just an FYI, all the rooms are facing towards the beach, so you will gonna guarantee have a nice view unless you stay on the bottom floor. And you notice that they're also sanitizing or cleaning the sand or taking the trash out. I don't know, I never seen that before. And the water is too rough, that's why there is a red flag. Not many people swimming at all because of how rough the water, and based on what it looks like, it's low tide, so I don't really know the reason of the red flag. But overall, we really did enjoy it. It's still a nice view. The water is a little bit cold though. We didn't really swim the ocean, we just walked and feel the water, and yeah, the ocean water is still freezing cold. So but overall, we enjoy swimming at the pool and walking along the beach area. Hopefully the sun, when it's completely out, probably this afternoon, maybe it will go back up at 80. It's a heated pool, so you don't need to worry about being cold. And we're getting ready to go breakfast.
sunshine. You are the ocean to me. You are the sunshine.